This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by unlocking and opening the right controls. Right-click the taskbar and unlock it if needed, then open Taskbar settings. You do this because some options depend on an unlocked bar and correct display settings. Once done, check your primary monitor and display scale so icons align predictably. Make sure auto hide is off for now. It complicates alignment. This early step prevents misplacement later and lets you control icon spacing precisely as you follow the next steps. Now you create a spacer that centers icons. Make an empty folder anywhere, then right-click the taskbar, choose Toolbar's right arrow New Toolbar, and select that folder. You'll see a folder toolbar appear. Unlock the taskbar and drag its handle left until your app icons shift toward the center. Then drag the system tray icons to the right side. This works because the folder toolbar acts as a flexible spacer. Use it to nudge the icons precisely until they appear centered visually. Finish by hiding the toolbar title and icon so the spacer is invisible. Right-click the new toolbar and uncheck Show Title and Show Text. Then lock the taskbar to keep everything in place. If the icons jump after a restart, check display scale and primary monitor settings and recreate the empty folder spacer if needed. This tip matters because scaling or multiple displays can break alignment. Readjusting the spacer or scale will restore the centered layout quickly and reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.